Our family's homemade egg roll recipe. You're going to take about 2 to 4 heads of cabbage, chop them up, put them in a food processor, and make them nice and fine. You're going to take some mushrooms, make sure you wash them first, chop them fine as well. Add green celery, don't forget about the tops. Put them in a food processor so they chop up nice and fine. You want a little bit in each bite. Add some bean sprouts into your food processor. Chop the front and the back off the green onions. Put in a food processor as well. This might take a little bit extra. Those tend to be really stubborn. Find some gluten-free soy sauce. You're going to add some spices to the soy sauce, which we add 1 tablespoon of pepper, a dash of salt, tablespoon of onion flakes, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon or less of ginger, 1 tablespoon of red pepper flakes. Then you're going to take some chicken that you grilled up on the grill. I added mushroom seasoning to it, put it in a food processor, and dice it up. Then you're going to take some oil. We like to use grapeseed oil, and put some mixture in. Add your sauce, stir, and we like to drain any of the excess out. We found that the egg rolls are nice and crispy if you do drain the oil. Then you're going to wet each corner of your egg roll wrapper. Add about 3 tablespoons of the mixture in. And then you're going to start folding your egg rolls. You want to make sure you roll them nice and tight. If they're nice and tight and you don't want any seams, when you fry these, you don't want any of that stuffing coming out. After you put them in the fryer until they're nice and golden brown, again, we like to use grapeseed oil, and they're ready to eat. But watch it, they might be hot, but they sure are delicious. One of my family's favorites. They ask for these every New Year's and cannot wait to have them.